Welcome to Unit 10. Last Saturday, I went out with some friends. We had dinner, and then we went to a party. We danced all night long. It was great. Did you go out last Saturday? In this unit, you will learn how to ask and answer questions about what you did in the past.
Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, I did, thanks.
What did you do on Saturday?
I went to a party with my friend Anna.
Really? Oh, good. Do you know when to use these words and phrases? In this unit, you will learn how to show interest in a conversation. Do you like playing cards? How about going fishing? Or playing golf? Vocabulary and speaking looks at sports and leisure activities. In this unit, you will also learn how to talk about your last holiday. On my last holiday, I went to Croatia with my family. We stayed in a nice hotel on the beach. We swam in the sea and walked on the beach every day. Where did you go on your last holiday? What did you do? Missed a class? Go online to learn and practice. Good luck. See you later.